Welcome to our lesson about the Dynamic Mirror tool. Let's start by creating a sketch. Right-click on the top plane, New Sketch. You can access the Dynamic Mirror via the Tools main menu. Scroll down to Sketch Tools and select Dynamic Mirror. You can also go to Customize, Commands tab, Sketch Branch. Here's the command for the Dynamic Mirror. Just drag it out onto your toolbar. Let's cancel out. First, I'm going to create a line to mirror about. Right-click and select. Now let's go to Tools, Sketch Tools, Dynamic Mirror. SOLIDWORKS asks me to select a line for the mirroring. Now I'll activate the Line tool and drop a line about right here. As you can see, SOLIDWORKS has mirrored the line on the opposite side automatically. Let's create a tangent arc now. And a second line. Let's do the same thing on top. And close the profile. And let's activate the Circle tool now and place a couple circles on our sketch. These are mirrored automatically on the other side. Right-click and select to close the tool. Let's select this circle now and convert it to construction geometry by checking the For Construction option. This circle too. Now let's apply some dimensions. This distance will be 140 millimeters. OK. The radius 20 millimeters. OK. And this distance, let's say 50 millimeters. Accept. This distance 60 millimeters. Accept. Right-click and select to close the tool. The sketch is still underdefined, as you can see. We need some more dimensions and relations. To figure out what exactly it is I need, I'll just grab a point on an entity in blue line and then drag around a little. Keep in mind, there's more than one way to constrain a sketch. What I'm going to do is add a vertical relation between these 2 points. And one more dimension here. 90 millimeters. Accept. And the sketch is fully defined. Let's exit. This concludes our lesson about using the Dynamic Mirror tool.